Hello traders, and welcome back to the Forex Geek, where we dive deep into the tools that can help you make smarter trading decisions. In today's video, we are going to be talking about the Supertrend CCI strategy, which is a powerful combination of two robust indicators that can significantly enhance your trading performance. This strategy integrates the Supertrend indicator for trend identification and the Commodity Channel Index (CCI) for momentum analysis, providing you with a comprehensive approach to Forex trading. So whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader looking to refine your skills, this video will equip you with valuable insights to elevate your Forex trading game. So without wasting any much of your time, let's get started. First, let's understand the Supertrend CCI strategy concept. The Supertrend indicator, developed by Olivia Seban in 2009, is designed to determine market trends by measuring volatility and price action. Now we have this indicator. This right here is the super trend. This is our super trend, and this indicator calculates an average true range to gauge market volatility, then plots a line above or below the price depending on the trend direction. So when the price is above the super trend line and the line is green, as you can see right here, it signals a bullish trend. Conversely, when the price falls below the super trend line and the line turns red, it signals a bearish trend, like you can see here. You can see here also. So the indicator uses a multiplier. Quickly go to the settings. The indicator uses a multiplier, typically between 2.0 and 3.5, to adjust sensitivity, with the standard setting being a period of 10 and a multiplier of 3. So here, this is the multiplier. You can adjust this depending on your preferences, but the default, the standard, is 3, and you should leave it at 3. And as you can see in this chart, the super trend line acts as a dynamic support in uptrends and resistance in downtrends. You can see it. This visual representation makes it easy for you to quickly identify the current market direction without complex analysis or much trend lines. So the CCI, on the other hand, is an oscillator. It complements the super trend by measuring the difference between the current price and its average price over a specified period. So the CCI oscillates around a zero line, with readings above 100 indicating overbought conditions and readings below 100 suggesting oversold conditions. For our strategy, we'll focus on the CCI crossing the zero line as a signal of momentum change. This right here is the zero line. Let me quickly edit this. This is the zero line. I'm going to make it thicker so that we can see it, and I'll make it black in color, and that is the zero line. As you can see, I've made it thicker. Now we can see clearly that is our zero line, and the channel, the line above, is the 100 line, and the line below is the negative 100. So that is the CCI. So this when the CCI crosses above the zero line from below, it suggests increasing bullish momentum. When it crosses below the zero line from above, it suggests building bearish momentum. And these crossovers can provide timely entry signals when aligned with the overall trend identified by the super trend. You can see clearly here we have the super trend crossing from above to below and staying below there, and at the same time we can see this the super trend here. We have the super trend line being above price and is also red, and this shows a bearish trend and a downward momentum as shown by the CCI. So that is how we can use these two indicators to tell the direction of price. So let's talk about the strategy. How can we put together all of this and make up a trading strategy? I'm going to tell you all about it just now, so be patient a bit and watch until the end of this video. So the first step is to add the Supertrend and CCI indicators to your trading chart, just like I've done. I'm using the trading view platform, and this is the USD card on the 1 hour time frame. For this strategy, it's best to use a higher time frame and focus on major currency pairs for better results. The first step is identifying the trend direction using the Supertrend indicator. For example, we are bearish here, and you can see here we are bullish. We have the Supertrend line being below price, and here we have the Supertrend line being above price. So you can easily tell when we are bearish and when we are bullish. Now the next step, once you've identified the trend, is to look at the CCI indicator for confirmation. For a long trend, a long trade, wait until the CCI crosses above the zero line from below, while the Supertrend line remains green. This crossover indicates that bullish momentum is building in alignment with the uptrend. And for a short trade, but before I talk about the short trade, let's quickly look at the charts for this long trade. We have here the CCI, we have the Supertrend, being below price, as you can see here, and at the same time we have the CCI crossing from below zero to above zero right here, and it remains above zero. As you can see, it remains above zero even after crossing from below. It remains above zero all the way till we had this minor pullback right here. Then we had the push to the upside. Still, that is for the CCI. Now after this has confirmed, we could look to take a buy entry from that area. We have a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern right here. We also have this pin bar, this hammer like candlestick pattern. So we just need to take a buy entry at the close of the next candle after our candlestick pattern, and our stop loss below the low of, I'm going to delete this circle. Our stop loss should be below the low of our candlestick pattern. Our take profits could be at fixed risk to reward ratio of 1:2 or 1:3, or we could just set it at significance resistance levels like this one, as you can see. And for bearish trades, let's quickly take an example for bearish trades. You can see here for this trade we have the Supertrend line being above price, signaling a downtrend, and we have the CCI going below the zero line right here. This is at the same time we are having this confirmation. At the same time, you can see this engulfing candlestick pattern signaling that yes, we should be looking to take sell trades. So just place your sell trade at the close of the next candle, just stop loss above the candlestick pattern's high, and I'll take profits all the way to 1:2 risk to reward ratio, or we could just target this major support level here to give us a 1:1.59, or you could trade it all the way down for this major support level right here. And that is how we trade with the Supertrend CCI strategy. It's a very simple strategy which you can use to take your trades in the market. Let's look at this example, one more example. In this case, we're talking about the bearish example. You can see here the Supertrend line being above price. At the same time, you can see at the same time we have the CCI going below the zero line. So this is an indication that we should be selling. We have these three consecutive red candles in the market showing increasing bearish momentum. So we could just look to place our sell trades at the opening of the next candle after those three straight red candles, stop loss above that swing high, and our take profits all the way down. Considering that the market is bullish here, this could just be a pullback. So we just take a short take profit here at 1:2 risk to reward ratio. So that is it for this. Let's talk about managing risk. Always set your stop loss to protect your capital. For long trends, place your stop loss just below the most recent swing low, and for short trades, set it just above the most recent swing high, just like we have done in this example. This ensures that if the market reverses unexpectedly, your losses are minimized. And this strategy works best in trending markets where price action aligns with both indicators. Avoid using it in highly volatile or sideways markets. For example, you can see this volatility, this minor volatility which occurred here. Delete this. You can see this minor volatility that occurred right here, and we can see reflected on the CCI. Now, this is not a time where you'll be looking to take trades using this strategy because the price is very volatile, and also we can see here where price is giving us this sideways movement. This is not a time to take trades using the sideways movements like this. You should wait for a time in the market where it's actually trending, a downtrend or an uptrend. So by following these steps carefully, you can effectively use the Supertrend CCI strategy to make informed trading decisions while minimizing risk. So alright traders, you've come to the end of today's video. Engage with us in the comments below. We want to hear about your experiences. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on more trading tips and strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.